Alright, Brian's Camper update number 5, I believe. Well, I just got all the wood put in. All the way to the back of the camper. Well, insulation and wood. I'm going to be using paintable caulking on all the joints, so when I paint the ceiling it'll actually stick to the caulking. You know, fill in some of these gaps, like that gap and that gap. But all in all, it's not too bad. Next thing I have to do, other than caulking, is to clean this place up, because it's pretty dirty in here still. But I like it. Smells a lot better in here than it did originally. And next time you see this update, I'll probably have all the caulking done and some of the wood painted. I got to remove all the doors and this refrigerator. Like I said, I don't know. Just like Ed says, one step at a time, one day at a time. But I like how it looks. Hopefully you guys do too. Alright, thanks.